This month we meet Fiona Goebel, a knitter and prolific knitting book author, who talks to Valerie about her life before knitting, her inspirations and techniques. And later in the month we get to meet and enjoy her knitted amigurumi pets. We continue our wander around the Living in the Middle exhibition with Hilary Beattie guiding us around this fascinating architecturally themed show. And our Throwback Thursday video features the Stitch Witch Lynette Harris, as she shares with us the Japanese stitching technique of sashiko. Other workshops this month include the lovely Doll's House panel by textile designer and expert Janet Clare. Valerie Nesbitt brings us a modern quilt block incorporating the flying geese design, and we have an excellent workshop with Carolyn Forster on the Quilt As You Go method of patchwork. There are also 2 more workshops this month for those of you working on the Your First Sampler Quilt series with Valerie. She covers putting the blocks together, adding the sashing and the borders. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.